For our first example, we have here two given functions. F of x is equal to x plus 9 and g of x is equal to your x minus 3. Let us say you're asked to find for the sum of your f of x and your g of x. So that will be simply your x plus 9 plus your x minus 3. So we add similar terms, so x plus x, so that will be equal to 2x, and 9 plus your minus 3, so that will be positive 6. That is for the addition of f of x and g of x. How about if we will subtract these two given function, f of x minus your g of x? So that will be x plus 9 minus, notice that the g of x function will be subtracted from your f of x, so we enclose that one with our parentheses, so that will be x minus 3. So we will have here now x plus 9, distribute the minus sign, so minus x plus 3. So eventually x plus minus x, 0, 9 plus 3, second function, or the subtraction of f of x by the g of x is equal to 12. How about if we will have the other way around, such that your g of x subtracted by your f of x? So what happened here? So that would be equal to, this time, x minus 3 minus your f of x. So we will have your x plus 9. So that will be equal to x minus 3 minus x minus your 9. So that will be x minus x, 0. So we have minus 3 minus 9. That will be your negative 12. We go to number 4. So let's say your f of x, we multiply that one by your g of x. So multiplication. So we will have your x plus 9 times your x minus 3. So we can use FOIL method or your horizontal method, or the other one, vertical method. So we have x times x, that is your x squared. Next, x times minus 3, that is minus 3x or negative 3x. Next, 9 times your x, that is positive 9x. And we will have the last 9 times negative 3, negative 27. So final answer will be x squared, negative 3x plus 9x, so that is positive 6x or simply plus 6x, and we will have your minus 27. That's the product of your f of x and your g of x. We go to number 5. So let's say you're asked to get the quotient of your f of x over your g of x. So in this case, we will have your x plus 9 divided by your x minus 3. So since we cannot cancel this one, there's no common factor, so therefore our answer will be x plus 9 all over x minus 3. Just a reminder, we cannot cancel x and x, nor canceling 9 and negative 3. They are binomial. Okay? So we go to the next example. So let's say we will have your f of x is equal to x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus your 3. So again, first, you're asked to find for your f of x plus your g of x. So what happened here? So we will have x minus 1 plus your x squared minus 4x plus your 3. So that will be combine similar terms. So we will have x and your negative 4x, so minus 3x, negative 1 and your positive 3, so that is positive 2, and we have here x squared. So arrange this one. So we will have here now x squared minus 3x plus your 2. So this would be our sum. We go to number 2. So let's say we subtract f of x by your g of x, the same. So that will be equal to what? X minus 1 minus, of course, your parenthesis here, we will have x squared minus your 4x plus your 3. So that will be equal to what? So that will be equal to x minus 1 minus x squared plus your 4x minus your 3. So combine similar terms. So we will have x and 4x. So that will be positive 5x, negative 1 and negative 3. We will have negative 4 and we will have your minus x squared. So you can rearrange this one. So rearranging this one, we will have negative x squared plus your 5x and we will have minus 4. So you may also consider the sign. Okay, we go to number 3. Number 3, we have, let's say you're asked to multiply f of x by your g of x. So multiplying this one, so we will have your x minus 1 times your x squared minus your 4x and we will have plus your 3. Okay, okay, close parenthesis. So we will have the first term, x times your x squared, so that is your x cubed, x times minus 4x, that is minus 4x squared, and x times positive 3, so that is positive 3x, and we have negative 1 times x squared, so we will have here negative x squared, negative 1 times minus 4x, so that is positive 4x, and we will have negative 1 times your positive 3, so we will have negative 3. So combine similar terms, we will have your x cubed, then negative 4x and negative x squared, negative 5x squared, then 3x plus your 4x, we will have plus 7x, and we will have minus 3. So this would be our product. We go to the last, number 4. So let's say you're asked to divide f of x, okay, over your g of x. So what we will have here, simply x minus 1, and we will have your x squared minus 4x plus your 3. Okay, so plus your 3. Okay, let me write that one as your 3. So in this case, that would be equal to x minus 1. So note that your denominator can be factors. So the factor of x squared minus 4x plus 3 is simply x minus 1, and we will have your x minus 3. So we cancel x minus 1, x minus 1. So the final answer will be 1 over your x minus 3. So that's it for the operations of your function. So I hope to see you on my next video, and please subscribe.